Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Moto G77. So what I like to do first is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So we all know that we got the microphone port at the bottom. Now we want to make sure that it is clean and we can try and use a soft brush for it. If the soft brush is not enough, then we can try and use an air compressor. It also does the job good. And what I like to do next after cleaning my microphone is going over into the camera. And here we're gonna go over, let me quickly skip this. We're gonna go to video and we're gonna start recording a random video. As you guys could see, we got the microphone permission, so that means we are recording with our microphone. And now let's see if the sound is here. If not, then we have a problem with our microphone. Random video. As you guys can see, we got the microphone. So the microphone is working, but if it's still not working for you, what you guys can do is simply go over and press the power button, the volume up button, and here tap restart. So we're gonna refresh our system by restarting the entire phone. And after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna update our software, but I'll get back to that once the phone restarts. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the restart, what we're gonna do is we're gonna enter the password if you have one, and as a last resort, update our software. So we're gonna go over into the settings. Now here in the settings, what we want to do is we want to scroll down until we see system updates. Here we tap on check for updates and we want to make sure that we are on the latest version. If you're not, then I recommend you updating it. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.